My name is Dr. Hanan Naser, and I'm an Associate Professor of Business and Economics. I'm the Programs Lead of the College of Business and Management at the American University of Bahrain. The beauty of the courses under the College of Business and Management will start by introducing the students to a number of courses in different majors. These courses are under what we call it the core courses. Core courses will give them the knowledge in different fields like sociology, psychology, maths, science. So the aim of this is to broaden their knowledge. And then secondly, they will move on into the major requirements of the college. In the major requirements of the courses, no matter what is the major of the student, whether the student is going to become specialized in marketing or in human resource management or finance, they will all be introduced to a number of courses that are required for everyone working in the business field. So in general, it is going to provide them with the fundamental knowledge and the skills needed in the field of the business, such as the financial accounting courses, the microeconomic courses, the principles of the macroeconomic, human resource management, principles of management. So these are the courses which are required for all students studying under the College of the Business and Management. We are very keen in order to bridge the students' knowledge and the skills and make it really good to meet the market requirements. And that's why we focus mainly on being a team leader, so it's the leadership. But in addition to that, we would like the students to be also good team players. So we focus on these skills, the communication skills, presentation skills, negotiation skills, and how can they analyze the data. Once the data come to them, then how do they look at these data and tell us a story behind these numbers and these data. Graduates from the College of Business and Management can work in different fields, such as the field of finance, being a financial analyst, financial manager, financial advisor, financial controller, or could be in the management and HR sector, such as being an HR manager. Graduates from the program of digital marketing and social media can work as content analyst, content manager, project manager, and representatives for the marketing department.
This is Fatema AlAali. I'm an assistant professor of economics. The College of Business and Management programs are prepared by experts and specialists just to follow the American style that the AUBH is following. At the College of Business and Management, some of core courses will be studied. So they are introductory courses in the specializations of business. The structure of the College of Business and Management is planned by experts and specialists to follow the American-style educational system. Under the major of finance, we have very interesting courses. One of them is starting a new business, which will enable a finance major student to start his or her new business with financial and management knowledge and skills. There are many opportunities for a finance major student when they graduate from the College of Business and Management at the AUBH. These are being a financial manager, financial planner, investor relations associate, or project manager.